ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് പാർക്കിൻസൺ ഡിസീസിനെ കുറിച്ച് നോക്കാം. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ ശരീര ചലനങ്ങളെ നിയന്ത്രിക്കുന്നതിൽ മുഖ്യ പങ്ക് വഹിക്കുന്ന ഡോപ്പമിൻ എന്ന ന്യൂറോ ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റർ നിർമ്മിക്കുന്ന കോശങ്ങളാണ് നശിക്കുന്നത്. അതായത് തലച്ചോറിലെ സബ്സ്റ്റാൻഷ്യ നൈഗ്ര എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഭാഗത്തെ കോശങ്ങൾ നശിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഈ രോഗത്തിൻ്റെ കാരണം. ഡോപ്പമിൻ്റെ അളവ് 70% കുറയുമ്പോഴാകും രോഗലക്ഷണങ്ങൾ കാര്യമായി തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. കാലങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ടാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ലക്ഷണങ്ങൾ പ്രകടമാവുന്നത്. വ്യക്തികൾക്കനുസരിച്ച് രോഗത്തിലും ലക്ഷണങ്ങളിലും വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ടാകുന്നു. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഡെഫിനിഷൻ, കോസസ്, സൈൻസ് ആൻഡ് സിംറ്റംസ്, അതിനെ റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ചോദിക്കുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാം നോക്കാം. Next is the definition. It is a chronic progressive nervous system disorder that affects the movement. That means in Parkinson's, the cells of the substantia nigra start to die. When this happens, dopamine levels are reduced. When they have dropped 60 to 80%, symptoms of Parkinson's starts to appear. Next one is the causes. First one is the hereditary, antipsychotic drugs, encephalitis infection, arteriosclerosis, neurotoxin, and drugs like haloperidol, phenothiazide, hydropress. Next one is the stages. There are 5 stages. In stage 1, Parkinson is in the mildest form. That means there may be symptoms but they are not severe. And the second stage is, it is the moderate form of Parkinson. The person may develop muscle stiffness, tremors, changes in facial expression, trembling, etc. That means the symptoms may appear in both sides of the body. Changes in posture, gait and facial expression may be noticeable. And in stage 3, it is the middle stage. That means the symptoms are more noticeable. That means the movements become slower. And coming to the stage 4, there may be a great difficulty in standing without a walker. That means a reaction and muscle movements are too slow. Last one is the stage 5. That means it is the advanced stage and the person may experience delusion, confusion, hallucination, etc. Coming to the signs and symptoms, the person may experience tremor or trembling in the hands, arms, legs, jaw and face, stiffness of the limbs and trunk, slowness of movement, problems with posture, balance and coordination. When these symptoms progress, the patient may have difficulty in walking, talking or completing the important daily task. Coming to the diagnostic evaluation, medical history, neurological examination, physical examination, MRI, CT and PET. Coming to the medical management, first one is the anticholinergic agents, antiviral agents, dopamine agonist, monoamine oxidase inhibitor, antidepressants and antihistamine group of drugs. One is the surgical management. First one is the deep brain stimulation. That means a small device is placed inside the chest and which sends the electrical impulses to the brain. And these impulses block the nerve signals that cause Parkinson's symptoms. Next one is the thalamotomy. That means it is a surgical procedure in which an opening is made into the thalamus to block the things that causes the tremors from reaching the muscles. Next one is the pallidotomy. That means it is a neurological procedure whereby a tiny electrical probe is placed in the globus pallidus and which is then heated to 80 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds to destroy a small area of brain cells, resulting in less rigid, easy tremors. Next one is the complication of Parkinson disease. First one is the cognitive problems, problems with the swallowing, sleep problems and sleep disorders, constipation and bladder problems, smell dysfunction, pain, depression and emotional changes, and sexual dysfunction. One is the rehabilitation therapy, that is regular physical exercise, treadmill walking, and occupational therapy. To the nursing management, assess the neurological status, assess the ability to swallow and chew, provide high calorie, high protein, high fiber soft diet with a small and frequent feeding, increase fluid intake to 1000 ml per day, monitor for constipation, promote independence with the safety measures. ഇനി നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് മൂന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. Parkinson's disease is characterized by dash. The answer is tremor, rigidity, and bradykinesia. Second question is pill rolling movement is characterized of Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is marked by lack of which chemical in the brain? Dopamine. There are dash stages of Parkinson's disease. 5 stages. Thank you.